Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this Texas-style turkey breast on the offset smoker. So I got these turkey breasts right from the local grocery store. I'm going to keep the seasoning pretty simple. We're going to use Killer Hogs TX brisket rub. Get that from howtobarbecueright.com. I'll have an affiliate link in the description. Help support my channel. So we're going to start on the bottom side, and we're just going to give it a sprinkle. I didn't brine these turkey breasts. Whenever I buy the turkey breast, it always says in a salt water solution, so you can brine them if you want. I've never over seasoned a turkey breast, but these I didn't think I needed to. This TX rub has salt and spices, garlic, onion, parsley. It's really good stuff. Got a lot of good flavors on there. Works perfect on brisket, turkey. I've done chicken with it, even pork. Do a couple pork steaks. That's looking pretty good. We'll get the smoker fired up, let these tack up, and throw them on. So I had to put this canopy up because it's been raining so much. Every weekend I go to film, it's raining, so I got this now. Smoker set at 250 degrees. We're gonna put this on right now. I gotta clean this thing out. So we're just gonna set these right in the middle, big end facing the fire. And we'll check on these in probably an hour. I'm gonna monitor the temps with the ThermoPro twin temp spike, Bluetooth, dual probe. So what we'll do is we'll put them one in each breast. It'll measure the meat temperature, and on the other side it'll measure the ambient temperature inside the pit. So we'll just slide this in here. Fat will collect different smoke molecules than water-based stuff like the turkey breast. So put these on, put them up on the top rack, and we'll check on this stuff in probably an hour. So it's been about 2 hours. The breasts have hit 150 degrees internal. We're going to pull the butter off, strain it, and then once the breasts hit about 155, we'll pull those off, wrap them in foil, and put butter in the foil. They look pretty good. All right, now we'll get the foil ready, and then we'll get ready to wrap those breasts. So the chicken breasts have hit 155 degrees internal. We're going to put them in a foil pan, and then we're going to wrap it, loosely wrap it in the carryover cook, and it'll get it up to 165. These things look awesome. Take the probe out, we don't need that anymore. We're gonna put it meat side down. When I say meat side down, I mean presentation side. This one looks good too. So we'll put that just like that. And then we'll pour our smoked butter over the top. We'll let these rest in that butter. Then we'll loosely tent these for about 20 minutes. So now these are thoroughly rested. We'll pull them out of the aluminum container. I mean, just look at that. That looks awesome. Now we can slice into these and see what we got. So we'll slice this one first. Yeah, that's definitely good looking. Smoked turkey during the summertime is really good. The Killer Hogs TX brisket rub Works excellent on turkey. The smoked turkey is really good. It's a little different than your Thanksgiving turkey. Perfect for the summertime. You can find these turkey breasts usually at Walmart or your local grocery stores all year round. Alright, that's our video. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, Facebook, of course YouTube. Go to crackcountrycooking.com. I got affiliate links for the spices and the rubs. Alright, see ya. Dinner time.